Hey guys, I'm Tom from Mr. Poolman. Today, I'm going to cover the Water TechniX VorteX Pool Pumps available from mrpoolman.com.au. In our opinion, the Water TechniX VorteX Pump is one of the best eco pumps in the market today. Aussie pool owners wanted a dependable pool pump for its efficiency, stability, and easy installation. Mr. Poolman is proud to offer the Water TechniX VorteX Pump for simplistic pool maintenance. The VorteX Pump is an energy-efficient pump that features full variable speed, allowing you to increase and decrease the speed of the motor and program set speeds for the best operation without losing pool filtration or performance. Lower speeds are best for energy efficiency. This would be the day-to-day filtration setting. Mid-flow is best for manual cleaning or the use of most suction pool cleaners. And high flow for all other pool applications. Compared to conventional single-speed pumps, the Water TechniX VorteX Pump will save between $600 and $1,000 per year in operating costs and runs at a quiet 60 decibels, providing superior results for any pool or spa filtration system. All Water TechniX equipment is backed by a factory warranty. We have years of experience helping pool owners just like you, providing free quotes and advice so you can decide which option is best for your pool. The Water TechniX VorteX will be right at home in any backyard oasis. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions, please drop us an email to support@mrpoolman.com.au. I'm Tom, happy swimming.